Hi and welcome back to a brand new video. Here we're going to be talking about my 5 favorite shortcuts. So first one is name regions, right? So name regions by tracks. Okay, so name regions by tracks is this here. You can see it here. So that's on the keyboard is Alt, then the arrow going up, and N. So that's the one I use all the time. Number 2 is a new track is this one up here. You can see here we've got it. Got Alt, Command, and N, which will give us a new track. So that does that. Okay. Number 3 is splice audio. So if I want to split this audio up, say this one here. Okay. So splice audio is Control X. That does the splice. Control X is one I use all the time as well. I've got that on my necktie as well, so that's mapped out already. Well, number 4 is smart controls, which is just basically smart controls is B, opens up smart controls really quickly. And of course the mixer as well, so is just X, brings the mixer up. So yeah, so there's my favorite 5 shortcuts. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, and I'll be back soon. Ciao.